Hey, welcome back. I'm out here with my, as Rufus Hussey used to say, my trusty bean shooter. And this one's made in white HDPE. A lot of times I use the black and yellow and the black. This was a thick block planed down and sent to me by the ghost man himself, Joe Bishop. And I'm learning a little more about this HDPE as I go. HDPE is high density polyethylene, but there's also a high molecular HDPE, and I think that's what this white stuff is, because it seemed to be harder to cut and harder, and maybe not harder, but you could tell the difference in the shavings from the router. So anyway, that's not what I'm out here for necessarily today. But just a little fun fact I'm learning about this stuff. I mean, I'm an old guy, I like wood, but this stuff's tough, plus it's waterproof, and I understand it floats too. I can't remember if I've actually tossed it in something to find out or not, but I'd say that's correct. But I had a gentleman pick up 4 of these yesterday here in the black, and I was showing him what kind of power modern latex has with that 1 gallon water jug down there, and it's dripped down to where the holes are and stop. And I think these are 0.6 simple shot, and I got a steep taper on there. Probably started out 20 to 10, but it's probably a little less than that since I've chopped the end off of it. But the 3/8, as a lot of you that know how to calculate it, I need to look that up and find out how to calculate foot-pounds of energy. It's pretty interesting. But the 3/8 didn't have much trouble going through, and I kind of got a side angle shot with the 5/16 or the 8 mil, and thought I realized I was walking around the house and I'd left this laying out here last night, which didn't hurt it. So anytime I see a shooter and something to shoot at, I get distracted. So I'm gonna take a shot with this 8 mil or 5/16, depending on what you want to call it, and see what it does to that what's left of that jug. See if we can get it to go all the way through. I'll just carry the whole stand. I don't know where I hit. Oh, too high. Let me try it again. Sorry, the video is getting longer than I usually like for them to be, because I don't want to bore you to death. I was trying to max some bands out and didn't make a very accurate shot. So try it again. Still too high. Shooting terrible today. There we go. Okay, there's one side. Hopefully you can see it. There's the other one. It did make it through. But those are, I got it in the shade here. I'll turn it back around. That's a pretty hot setup right there. So it actually did make it through it. And there's the little shooter. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Everybody stay safe out there. And have a great weekend. I'll catch you next time.